What is up, everyone? We're out here in Scottsdale. We're gonna do some night cruising with AZtrackstars. Yeah, we're all just meeting up here and going on a cruise. So I'm gonna try to get some cool rolling shots. I don't know how that's gonna work out, so make sure you stick around, check that out. Hopefully I get some cool shots. Let's go do some night cruising. Cops are already showing up, so don't know if they're gonna shoo everyone out of the parking lot or not. We'll see how that goes. Hopefully my little Bronco can keep up with all the speed racers. We'll see. You know, like I said before, AZtrackstars shows a little different from the shows we normally do, you know, all that real high-end supercar stuff. But that's why I like coming to their shows too, you know? It's not always the same things that we see. That's sick. A little Bronco ready to rally. Yeah, that's super sick. Man, I was even going to take this weekend off and not go to any events or film anything, but I saw this night meet pop up and I'm like, let's just do it. Because I mean, dude, it's like almost 10 o'clock and it's still at 105. Ridiculous. But, I mean, come on, it's Arizona, so. There he is. Saw him pull in. Here he is. Sick R34. Nice. Sorry if the video might seem like a little jumpy. I don't know. The camera might be overheating. I'm working on getting a new camera. Hoping to have that in hopefully just a couple weeks here. So yeah, that should be cool. Not very often we do night events either, so yeah, this is definitely kind of different too. That's actually an S63 AMG. Very nice.